Hi everybody, it's John. Welcome back to my channel. I just want to give you an update on my customs group build hosted by Paul over at Left Coast. So this was the 66 Mustang, or is the 66 Mustang. It's just a little mock-up right now. What I did is I cut these air vents off of the Yanko Mustang. I put some styrene to fill that groove in. That's put in the body. These rims are from Oldsmobile build. I couldn't tell you which one. Then I cut the front grille from the Oldsmobile Cutlass. I removed the grill part of it, kept the bumper, just trimmed that down, reshaped it a little bit so it fits nicely onto here. This is the front grille from the 32 Ford. I still might reshape this end of it so it doesn't look so much like the grill, maybe flatten it out a little more. This is the engine. I believe I showed everybody the engine. I'm just waiting for some wiring to come in. Hold on a second. I will remove the body and show you the interior so far. Okay, so here's the interior. I can't remember who. If I can remember, I'll leave their link down below. On the seats, I did the Molotow pen, painted it, and then sanded the paint off to get that design, which I think came out pretty good. I got my felt down there for the carpeting, and I did a little detail on the dash. Not a lot, just the chrome trim on it. This is where I had cut the firewall a bit so I could fit the transmission in there. Took the shifter from another build and put that down there. So yeah, I'm happy with how it's coming out. So the interior is about done. I just got to get a steering wheel in there and that will be ready to go. I still got a lot to do on the chassis and the engine bay to get some good supports in there for the larger engine. Yeah, so that's where I'm standing right now. So let me get this camera turned around and we'll talk a bit more.